Anyway, para maging mas malinaw, okay, those who would put in money has a chance to get the cash prize, okay? Those who didn't will get a gift certificate. Kay Beno,
Gift check.
kay Kukarayan, kay Erins, gusto kay Erins, di ba? GC, di ba? So, winner, both, di ba? So, let's get to the top. Is everything clear?
Not clear.
Puno ang check sa last day.
Okay, so, okay, whoever won first will get the GC, right?
Hindi na-establish eh. Dapat dinigay yung pero doon sa waiter.
Correct. So, if your card is free and you didn't put money, hindi ka nalagay ng pera, you get the GC. Pero if you put in cash makukuha nyo. Pero wala pa nanalo ng cash. GC pala, GC.
Ah, sa GC pala. Gift check lang.
Friday. So yung nanalo, hindi nagbayad kaya.
Kaya GC, yes.
Ah, ganon.
Wala pa. Ang cash prize, wala pa ng cash.
Ah, wala pang cash.
Okay, tapos
Ulo, kasi sinasabi.
gets na.
Gets.
Sa mga senior table, hindi ka na gets eh.
Gets na, gets.
May pera, GC.
Down.
Mental health na lang kaya. Lahat babagitin.